The soundtrack of Jamaica dancehall's cultural significance. Dancehall music is more than just a genre in Jamaica. It's the heartbeat of the island. From street dances to nightclubs, dancehall's rhythms are everywhere. The music reflects Jamaican life, its joys, struggles and triumphs. It's a powerful force that unites people through shared experiences and expressions. Dancehall is a source of national pride. It represents Jamaican creativity and resilience on a global stage. Dancehall is deeply embedded in everyday life. It's the soundtrack to parties, gatherings, and even everyday conversations. The music's influence extends beyond entertainment. It shapes language, fashion, and social values. For many Jamaicans, particularly the youth, dancehall is a way of life. It's an integral part of their identity and a lens through which they see the world. Shaping language, shaping lives. Dancehall's influence on youth. Dancehall lyrics have a profound impact on how young Jamaicans speak and express themselves. New words, phrases and slang emerge constantly from the music. This vibrant linguistic innovation is a testament to the creativity of dancehall artists and their connection with the streets. Youth readily adopt these expressions, incorporating them into their daily conversations. This linguistic fusion of dancehall and everyday language creates a unique cultural phenomenon. It strengthens the bond between artists and their fans, fostering a sense of shared identity. However, dancehall's influence on youth is not without its critics. Some argue that certain lyrics promote violence or objectify women. This ongoing debate highlights the complexities of dancehall's impact on Jamaican society. It underscores the need for critical engagement with the music's messages. From reggae roots to digital beats, a history of dancehall. Dancehall emerged in the late 1970s as a direct descendant of reggae music. As Jamaica transitioned politically and socially, so did its music. Dancehall reflected the realities of urban life, often addressing themes of poverty, inequality and violence. Technological advancements, particularly the rise of sound systems, shaped dancehall's sound. Digital beats and faster tempos became hallmarks of the genre, distinguishing it from its reggae roots. The 1980s witnessed dancehall's explosion in popularity. Artists like Yellow Man and Tenor Saw captivated audiences with their lyrical prowess and stage presence. This era saw the rise of dub plates, customized recordings featuring artists DJing over instrumental tracks. This innovation further fueled dancehall's dynamic and competitive nature. Artists constantly pushed creative boundaries, vying for recognition and airplay. Voices of a generation iconic artists and their lyrical innovations. Dancehall boasts a constellation of influential artists, each leaving an indelible mark on the genre. Shabba Ranks, with his raspy vocals and charismatic stage presence, achieved international acclaim, popularizing dancehall globally. Buju Banton, known for his conscious lyrics and powerful delivery, explored themes of social justice, spirituality and black empowerment. Lady Saw, a pioneering female artist, challenged gender norms with her bold lyrics and unapologetic sexuality. Vybz Kartel, a prolific songwriter and controversial figure, is known for his innovative wordplay and influence on contemporary dancehall. These artists, along with countless others, have shaped the sound and lyrical landscape of dancehall, influencing generations of musicians and fans alike.